We're driving through the countryside on our way to Alberobello, which is a unique and fascinating town in Italy's Puglia region. It's known primarily for its distinct Trulli constructions. We're going to show you that. We're going to talk about it. We're going to show you some of the cool places to go and see in this town. It's going to be a quick video, and I'm going to include a lot of really interesting facts about it. All right, let's go check it out.
Alberobello in Puglia.
Puglia.
This is a town made of Trullo homes. The plural is Trulli homes. And we're just kind of walking around, checking it out, seeing what it's like. It's very cool, these houses. And we'll show you around.
Rumor is they built these houses so that they could take them apart before the tax collector came.
Yeah.
That's why they're these unique shapes.
Yeah. Let's check it out.
Let's do it. First fun fact, I am going to debunk that theory on the Trulli's design. It's that they were made to be easily dismantled, not that they actually dismantled them, but the local feudal lord taxed permanent structures. So by making the Trulli easy to take apart, residents could evade the taxes. It seemed to me, the way it was explained, like they would take it apart so they didn't have to pay taxes. It just had to be easy to disassemble so it wasn't a permanent structure. While we're talking about Trullis, they are whitewashed stone huts with conical roofs. They definitely look a little bit like something out of a fairy tale. Additionally, they're not just homes. While most are homes, as you can see, there are lots of shops, there are restaurants, there are even accommodations for tourists. We saw a couple hotels. I would think sleeping in a Trulli would be a really unique experience that you might want to try. Okay, as we prepare to exit this village, what do you have to say about it?
I think it's super cute. There's definitely you gotta find those little out-of-the-way places that there's not a zillion people. It has definitely got lots of people here visiting from far and close, and I would say an hour or two. We spent about 2.5 hours, but that included some lunch. Definitely search which places are good. I'd say the ones along the main strip, like down in the very center, are probably the most basic. You know, just average. That's what we found. But doesn't mean they're all like that. But definitely do a check. See which ones have good reviews.
And if you find one that you really like, put a comment below so others can see that.
Yeah. And you know, share your thoughts on, you know, places that you must see in here. There's certain Trullis that are like a Siamese Trulli and a
They're truly amazing.
Yeah, it's definitely fun, but I think a couple hours does it.
All right, remember to hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Thanks so much for watching. So we're back at our parking spot. This parking lot is at the top, basically, of the Trullis. Both the old and the new kind of go down, and there's a main strip. This is at the top. Really nice parking area. There's lots of trees, so it kind of keeps things more shaded. It's like it was €6, so it's great, and perfect location. Somebody watching the cars. There's lots of space between the cars, so if you're renting a car, a little better to park in a place like this, that it's not going to get wrecked on the street or something like that. So I think this is a great option.
Right here below me is a button which you could click to subscribe so that you always get our notifications. If you want to just watch another video real quick, right here below, this is a video that YouTube thinks you'll really like. And then right up here is a selection of videos from this European trip we just went on, so you could kind of continue the adventure there. In any case, keep commenting and watching, and we'll see you next time.